how to import reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So first we need to go to our Shopify account and open it in our browser and make sure that your account is the one that is logged in, the one that is you are using for your Shopify shop. So once that is done, you may go to the app section here in the left side, and once you're in the app section, you can search for in the search bar for the application that we are going to use, which is Loox. So just install Loox and you can add app it. Just click on the add app button, and after that you will be redirected to a page, this one, where you are required to connect Loox to your Shopify account. So install app, and if you have done the procedures and the installation process, you will be directed with this, you're all set, and go enter or import the reviews. So let's go, and we have a instruction right here, and we must make a bookmark for the Loox application. So let us go to AliExpress and let us see a application or a product for it. And what you need to do is tap or click on the bookmark of the Loox, and then here just fill in. After that you will be seeing a window just like this one. Just fill in and preview and import the reviews. So I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.